Exercise 5.3, question number 3, number 6. In an AP, given A is equals to 2, D is equals to 8, Sn is equals to 90, find N and Sn. An. Find N and An. Here we have given Sn. Then we using Sn formula. Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put all the values. Sn is equals to 90, a is equals to 2 and d is equals to 8. Therefore, 90 is equals to n by 2 into 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into d. Then we get 2 is gone in multiplication. Therefore, and n into 2 2 is a 4 plus 8n minus 8. 180 is equals to n into 8n minus 4. 180 is equals to 8n square minus 4n. 8n square minus 4n and 180 minus 180 is equals to 0. Therefore, divided all the terms divided by 4. Therefore, we get 2n square minus n minus 45 is equals to 0. Now factorize. 45 2 za 90. Then subtracted 1 and multiplication is that product. Now to prepare true factors, middle term splitting. 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equals to 0. Then factors are n minus 5 and 2n plus 9 is equals to 0. N minus 5 is equals to 0 or 2n plus 9 is equals to 0. Therefore, n is equals to 5 or n is equals to minus 9 by 2. But n should be positive integer. Here n is equals to minus 9 by 2 is a fraction. Therefore, n is equals to minus 9 by 2 is not possible, is not accepted, is rejected. Therefore, n is equals to 5. Our last answer, n is equals to 5. N is equals to. Now, question number. Now again find an. A5. An using formula an is equals to. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equals to 2 plus 5 minus 1 into 8. An is equals to 2 plus 4 to the 4. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. 4 into 8. 32 plus 2. 34. Then n is equals to 5 and for n is equals to 5, an is equals to 34. Again this question. A is equals to 2, D is equals to 8, Sn is equals to 90. Find n and an. We using formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We do not use here Sn is equals to n by 2a plus l because l that means an. An is not given. Therefore, we find its Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is equals to 5. We get n is equals to 5 and we get n is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula use and we get n is equals to 34. Question number 3, number 7. In an AP, given A is equals to 8, N is equals to 62, and Sn is equals to 210, find N and D. Here A is equals to 8, N, that means L is equals to 62, Sn is equals to 210. Find N and D. We find first N, Sn is equals to N by 2, A plus L. Put value Sn 210, N by 2. What is the value of N? A is equals to 8 plus last term 62. 62 into A plus 8 is equals to 70. 35 7 35 2 70. 2 cut here. Therefore 210 is equals to 35N. Divide by 35. N is equals to 6. Now find D. N is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. 62 is equals to 8 plus 6 minus 1 into D. 62 is equals to 8 plus 5D. 62 minus 8 is equals to 5D. Therefore, 54 is equals to 5D. D is equals to 54 by 5. Thus, N is equals to 5 and D is equals to 54 by 5. Okay, in this question, first we find Sn using formula Sn is equals to N by 2 A plus L. We get N is equals to 6 and then find An. Find A, we use the formula An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. 62 is equals to 8 plus 5 into D. Then we get D is equals to 54 by 5. Now question number 3, number 8. In an AP, given N is equals to 4, D is equals to 2, Sn is equals to minus 14, find N and 2. Here find N and A. N and A. By printing mistake, it is not 2, it is A. Now find N and N and A. Now N is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. 4 is equals to A plus N minus 1 into 2. We use here only A, D and An. Then we get one equation. A is equals to 6 minus 2n. Now Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2. A plus L minus 14 is equals to n by 2 into 6 minus 2n plus 4. Then simplify this equation. N square minus n square plus 5n plus 14 is equals to 0. But here we change the all signs, then n square becomes positive. N square minus 5n minus 14 is equals to 0. Now factor of 14 with subtraction is equals to 5. 7 2s are 14, n minus 7 and n plus 2 are factors of this. N minus 7 is equals to 0 or n plus 2 is equals to 0. n is equals to say 1 or minus 2. But here in previous equation I say that n should be positive integer, therefore n is equals to minus 2 is not possible. Now a is equals to 6 minus 2n because it is our formula. We get a form equation a is equals to 6 minus 2n. Putting value in this, a is equals to 6 minus 2n, n is equals to 17, 6 minus 14, a is equals to minus 8 and n is equals to 7. Question number 8 again. An is equals to 4, d is equals to 2, Sn is equals to minus 14. Find n and a. Then we use an formula and we get a is equals to 6 minus 2n and Sn is equals to, using n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, n by 2 a plus l. Then we get n is equals to 7 and put values n is equals to 7 in equation number 1. A is equals to 6 minus 2n, 6 minus 14, therefore a is equals to minus 8, thus a is equals to minus 8 and n is equals to 7. Now number 3, number 9, question of 9, number 3. In NEP given a is equals to 3, n is equals to 8, Sn is equals to 192, find d. We using here Sn. Sn formula n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put all values. Then 192 is equals to 8 upon 2 into 3 plus n minus 1, 8 minus 1 into d. 192 into 2 is equals to 8 into 6 plus 70. 384 upon 8 is equals to 6 plus 70. D is equals to 48 minus 6. 42 is equals to 70. D is equals to 6. This question again. A is equals to 3, n is equals to 8, Sn is equals to 192. Find D. Then we use Sn is equals to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, put all values. We get here d is equals to 6. Now, number 10 of question 3, exercise 5.3. In NAP, given L is equals to 28, S is equals to 144, and there are total 9 terms, find A. L is equals to 28. S is equals to 144. S, that means Sn. Total 9 terms. A is equals to find, N is equals to 9. Then find A. Use your formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus l. 144 is equals to 9 by 2 into a plus 28. 144 into 2, 288. Divide by 9 is equals to a plus 28, because 2 in division and 9 in multiplication. Here 9 by 2, we get the opposite side 2 in multiplication and 9 is in division. 32 9s are 288. 32 is equals to a plus 28. A is equals to 4, so a is equals to 4. Now, question number 3 completed here. We start question number 4. How many terms of the AP? How many terms? Find n. Of AP 9, 17, 25, must be taken to give a sum of 636. Sn sum of 636. Therefore, Sn is equals to 636. Find n. A is equals to 8. A is equals to 9. 9 and 17. Difference is equals to 17 minus 9 is equals to 8. And to be find, and 636 is equals to Sn. Put value Sn is equals to n by 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D. 636 is equals to n by 2. 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 8. 636 is equals to n by 2 into 2 common part, 9 plus n minus 1 into 4. 2 cut here. 636 is equals to n into 9 plus 4n minus 4. 9 minus 4 is equals to 5 plus 4n. 636 is equals to 5n plus 4n square. Then we get equation, quadratic equation here, 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equals to 0. Its factors are 53 and 48. 53 minus 48, 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equals to 0. Then we get two factors, 4n plus 53 and n minus 12 is equals to 0. 4n plus 53 is equals to 0, or n minus 12 is equals to 0, n is equals to minus 53 by 4, or n is equals to 12. But we know that n should be positive integer, it never negative integer or fraction. So n is equals to 12. Therefore, n is equals to minus 53 by 4 is not possible. First 12 terms, sum of first 12 term is 636. Again this question, how many terms of AP? Then we find here n. A is equals to 9. Difference is equals to 17 minus 9 is equals to 8. And Sn is equals to 636. Put in formula all value. Then we get one equation, quadratic equation. 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equals to 0. Then we factorize this equation and getting n is equals to minus 53 by 4, or n is equals to 12. But we know that n should be positive integer. Therefore, here n is equals to 12 and sum of first 12 term is 636.